Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Yeah, so if this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not an entertainment channel. You know, entertainment channels give you a average between 10 to 15 minutes. This is not an entertainment channel, so you have to go elsewhere if you want entertainment. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, mama, papa, side chick or side man, and tell them to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allows you to explore contents that complies with laws, rules and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channels. So thanks for your continuous support and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. So moving on to today's video. Yeah, so you know, you're going to hear from an inspector of police. You know, he's a resident born and raised in a Jonestown. His name is Robinson. Yeah, man, Robbie is a junglist, you understand? And he's going to tell you some things, you know, even the morning when General Starkey was killed, and he's going to tell you the amount of gunshot that he heard that morning. And you understand, even at one point, Junior Speng, he almost lost his life to Junior Speng down by near to Ambassador Theatre. But unfortunately, we did not get to finish the conversation because his phone disconnected. And yeah, we just wanted to know that, so you're going to hear him tell you some things even about General Starkey. And as we told you before, that General Starkey, whether or not you whether you like him or don't like him, General Starkey is the first Jamaican gunman who was a celebrity. Yeah, I was a celebrity, he was a celebrity that, woman used to come and beg him. As you hear, Sir P from politics would say, I know, hey look, when as you hear Sir P from only gunmen them want in them all a long time, from in the 70s, from in the 70s that General Starkey was the man. May I tell you, as we start the series, we're not even finish it, but we have to done it. We should have finished it this week. But sometimes work and more work, and you understand. So as you hear from the farmer, Jonestown Kingston 12 resident, a retired police inspector who will shed light on the turbulent beginnings of the war between Jonestown and men from Rema during the 1976 general election. So he will recount the political strife, the simmering tensions, and how these tensions exploded into a full-blown war. So this insider perspective will reveal the harsh realities of the time, vividly portraying the key figures and the chaos that ensue. So you will hear from Inspector Robinson as he shares his first-hand experience with notorious figures like General Starkey, Junior Speng, George Pang, a Pang them call him, and Spurline, Vincent Morrison, and other gunmen from our community of Jonestown, Kingston 12. Inspector Robinson will recount how Junior Speng nearly killed him near the Ambassador Theatre Unfortunately, our call disconnected and we could not finish the conversation. Try to reach out to him a few times and we never get him. So in his account, you'll hear about the new YouTubers, individual like Tony Welsh. I will tell you already about Pang, that are George Pang, Curly Locks, Nada, Pushwood, Red Tony from Rema, and and you're going to hear about some other figures. So these names were not just feared, but became symbols of violence that engulfed their communities. So the weapon of choice during these clashes clashes between the men was the .38 revolver, a grim reminder of the era of brutal and often personal violence. So during this time, one of the pivotal figures was Jabba, a man who took on the grim task of warning the youths to leave the era when a war was imminent. His role was crucial in mitigating the bloodshed and protecting the young lives caught in crossfire. Boy, I tell us at them time that it brutal, man. Boy, you could have, every day you hear gunshot, every day. And for what? For what? That's my thing. Just killing our own people for my man stay in a power. And the same man, them now go out there and kill nobody in our lick up low IQ youths, them. Even man the bright, the number one brigadista still alive. The man speak 3 languages, him speak Russian, English and Spanish. The man they go Casey, and then a ordinary man, and the man they bright, super bright, so him supposed to way ahead of him time, but the man they did just get caught up in this communist thing, end up and kill all judge and got a prisoner and all them thing. The man number one in the brigadista thing, him come top marksman, 1 shot, 1 kill. The man they go all Central America go fight. Yeah man. See him Dr. Trevor Monroe, give me all them 16 and them thing in the 80s. When I talk about knowledge, I tell you this. You understand? So I know you see them man, they portray themselves like them as some angel. Them man, they are Satan too. Yeah, so the retired inspector will also recounts a daring raid by men from Rema. So, and the men them from, Rema and Tivoli Gardens. This raid targeted a ship dock at Kingston Pier which was loaded with M16 rifles, shotgun and other weapons intended for the PMP communities. So the men them from Tivoli Garden successfully intercepted and stole some of these weapons, intensifying the already volatile situation. And if you listen to one of the videos with Piggy Williams, Piggy Williams was a known PMP criminal organization police. I'm a virgin, and him just defend PMP. I say, but him live in America. Me always say, oh, you love PMP and the man they do a whole heap of things still doing him and McCain. McCain used to live in our yard one time. Yeah, that a Vernon McCain, and him used to live in our yard at Jonestown. So that's why I know him from my youth. That's why I tell people, I know him from my little boy. When him away just brief and all them things there. Yeah, Vernon McCain used to live in our yard before things get out of hand. Yeah, so the men from Tivoli Garden successfully intercepted and stole some of these weapons. You understand? So Piggy Williams was one of them I find back some of my gun them. Yeah man, so when you hear Dewey and Douglas, that Lenky Rice's son, when they talk about PMP did that was the other way around. I was a labor at them teeth. So you hear man, because just listen what Robbie I say them thing, okay? You know if you ask, I have to ask Robbie because I don't know say Robbie a comrade. I just saw it go on them thing there. Very rare people from our community at Jonestown can say things totally different. Like for me, I don't support the violence, so that's why I'm totally against what they have done to destroy the minds of the youths in my community. So that's why I go hear me and I say, boy, PMP feel no, me none of that. Because I don't like violence and them thing there. Because this I'm a 2 hours left from my community, 2 hours left out of my period. 2, yeah man, me and Dinah. So no guy can't tell me nothing. So when a guy hear me attack, and a guy come talk about me a labor right and this and that, if them, the others, them, the Stella, Radcliffe, all of them youth that me and them grew up, we used to play and all them something, they play marble, play all football, with with juice box and all them thing there. See it. You understand? If them the youth there did get the opportunity like me, them only dead. Because they don't know say that road is a wrong road. So that's why we talk against it. You understand? But we give thanks to our parents, our mother and father. Make certain say, boy, we never mix and dissolve with the people them in our community and keep you on the right path. Even our own yard where we live on them thing there. You understand? So these revelations are not just stories from the past, but a stark reminder of political manipulations and violent power struggles that have shaped the lives of many Jamaicans. So this testimony aims to light a dark history of political warfare, urging us to reflect on the cause of such conflicts and the importance of striving for peace and justice in our communities. Through this gripping narrative, we hope to foster a deeper understanding of our past and ensure that the sacrifices and struggle of those who lived through these times are not forgotten. It is a call to remember, learn and work toward a future where such violence is a distant memory. So I want you to listen to the conversation between yours truly and Robbie. Yeah, man, we're adult now, you understand, the man, the whole army from the same community of Jonestown. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. Well, so Robbie, what go on, man? Everything's but just I get the time for calling back on them thing there, cause you know the thing go on them thing there.
Yeah, man, I tell you.
Right, trust me.
Yeah. Yo.
So what think of the one?
But then I'm gonna take it easy now, my boy.
True.
Yeah, but then I take it easy, my boy. Trust me.
So the family, man. I see him Jonestown. hey, between me and you, say 1986, in time, after thing that, what name? After, Michael Manley did win the
election.
Yes, and them fire up one whole heap of shot on them thing there, the night.
Yeah.
My father say, him say, boy, him say, 1986, him say, boy, my father say, boy, we think say we left Jonestown, but boy, like Jonestown come with we and jungle. Yeah, man, them out of shot the man, them fire Waterford, 86,
Yeah,
daddy say, boy, like we think say Jonestown left way, but Jonestown still a follow.
Come, we don't know.
Yeah, man. You understand? So every move go somewhere, we have to move again because it's still a follow way,
Yeah. Oh, I tell you, I know. When we leave. All right. Partially when we leave Jonestown, it was 1976.
Yeah.
76. Yeah. Yeah, 1976. We have to leave because, as I tell you, the war, the political war.
Yeah, man.
With the Rema and jungle.
But you know how the war did start though. Say the Jonestown man did started after a course.
Well, I know. Let me tell you something. Man, you can't tell you how the war that start. You know how the war that start?
Yeah.
All right. Them little the man them Tony Welch and the whole of them.
Yeah.
Them did have for them only them and them is a war. But you know what now? The battlefield used to be Calisimic Drive on 7th Street. And they said you said in the right side of Ambassador Theatre, right? Remember one night time, the man them the time they had some bicycle near Raleigh.
Yeah.
Jungle man, they buy a portion of bicycle. Yeah? Portion of bicycle. The bicycle used to carry like a bag on the back.
Yeah.
Yeah? And then just right come down Calisimic Drive. And when come down Calisimic Drive and reach a bus. Then the time they 38 at the order of the day. When a man have a 9mm, he might go on.
Yeah, true.
And it was the time that special, the call special.
Yeah, man, remember, man.
Yeah, and when them come down, so a whole heap of shot fire there. You understand me? You know, say, the special have the whole heap of power.
True.
You know what I mean? So them a fire back when they wanted it until eventually them go. And then now, what happened is that me used to go to Sherlock. So when me down there, I go to school now, some of the boys them like Red Tony, now what them called Push Out.
Yeah.
Them the same class.
From Rema.
Yes, and in the same class, cause when it happened, when me left Trenchtown Primary and go you Sherlock.
Yeah.
Me follow and go there. Cause there's some if you go at Trenchtown Comprehensive, but you have follow friend and you find favors in a teacher. So the teacher moves, so you go with the teacher. Right? So we go down there, so we are Red Tony and them in a same class. So when so they are 6th grade, you know which grade me there? 9th grade. Yeah? When me
So you skip class, sir?
Yeah, me there 9th grade.
You know, say the same thing happened to me too. When my pass coming entrance, I grade 8 me now, you know?
Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. We out of the league. Me feel grade 6. Me there grade 9. So what happened is that my mother buy up the books them and so for me so and then when I use the books. So my mother start make query and say she need to find out where I go on.
Yeah.
There was this teacher, right? This male teacher named Chambers. It was my neighbor. Teacher the same school, Sherlock.
Yeah.
And she talked to him. When him go and do film inquiries, at grade 6 me feel and guess where we end up? In a film class. Yeah, in a film class. So anything we do, him go tell my mother.
Yeah.
Yeah? Anyway. All the way I go to school together. But anytime anything else start, you add this youth we call it Jabba. Jabba used to tell us, listen, when you go on home, you leave and go because things are going up. Yeah. So go on home. So we just go down Little King Street, in Spanish Town Road, and take North Street Field, come back on Stipend Road, and come our yard. You understand me? So we don't probably don't come back school for 2 days and something, everything quiet. You understand me? Yeah. And then Red Tone and them boys just say, hey boy, hey, me know say you're junglist, you know. Yeah? Because they never like nothing. We are paying. Right? And so you know you're a junglist, you know, but two of them kind of raps you with them in trouble.
Yeah.
Anyhow, it so happened that 76, I don't remember who the month, but I don't say, remember the year. What happened is that on the other side of the bus, which is Thompson Street, right? Picnic start fling stone off one another from Rema. You have one pathway named Curry Pathway.
Curry Pathway that are in a junk, that are next beside Scarface Pathway.
Yes, no man. Curry Pathway there, right at 7th Street and Play Center. Yeah, that was Curry Pathway. So what happened is that when we come up, when we as picnic, a fling stone. Yeah. We have a stone, we are flinging out stone. So them from Curry Pathway are fling stone over in Ambassador, and we are fling back stone over Curry Pathway. You don't know, so curly locks them come up. Yeah? I use a picnic them as shield and then start fire shot. Yeah? Start fire shot. And then remember, when the first time we say George, the time George just come from Tel Aviv.
Oh, George Pang?
Yes. Yeah. Just come from Tel Aviv. Everybody talk about pang, pang, pang. Everybody never say George Pang. Everybody say pang, pang. You know what I mean? Every time they could have ride it. Yeah, every time they could have ride. Remember, they never CB100.
Yeah.
Yeah? Never forget. Yeah?
But you know, they shoot Colonel Locks though one time.
No, I never know that.
Yeah, man, with a 38. Yeah, man.
Well, anyhow, what happened? You remember George come down Thompson Street. Then the time they have BOAC graduated. Yeah? And I say, George, dip in the bag and take out a 38 and start fire back. Right? Start fire back on them a Curry Pathway. And then guess what now? Guess what? It go on until the pick them get out tighter now. And then now, the man them from jungle now, come down with gun now. Man up with shotgun and all them things. Every time the man them now, every time the
rifle them never come in yet.
Yeah, all right, let me tell you. The Rema man them, they have mini 14. They have 14. The guard man them, they have M16. Because I don't know if you know. So when I time, let me thief off 95 M16 off on the ship down a wharf. You don't know that?
And no, I did 500 shotgun on them thing there, and Piggy did find some of them. That was the ship where Cuba and them come in with the shotgun them, and the
Yes.
man and you know liberate them to thief some of them.
Yes.
Because the
M16 was there.
The Cuban did bring them in for keep the PMP them.
Yeah.
And the liberate them get inside information and go thief them off our ship.
Yes.
Thief
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
You
Yes.
understand? So you know at them you know they bring them for give the man them and them get information about it and the man them you know they
So what happened is that it's like you have a stage show you have, and you have picnic, they pick the part, and then later on you have the big people part. So it break down. The picnic start the thing, and then the picnic them now out tight now, and the big people them start. So shooting start at night, come down. Yo, let me tell you something. The man them like almost the whole of Ascot Street, from Price Street go back to Thompson Street. I pay a fire. The fireman them couldn't get to go in car, gunshot and fire.
Let me ask you, I don't know if you remember at the time the council did dead and they marched down Cali Smith Drive and attacked the people in Rema. You remember that? You remember that Sunday there?
No, I never remember. I can't recall that one day.
You remember in time they killed James same man them, same Jonestown, and then them blame the man them at Rema.
Am I asking?
Yeah. So you know when I said the same man in them they try.
No, I never know that. But
yeah man. Then I mean if you run man, I said the same man them from Jonestown go to kill him in my yard, you know. Yeah. You understand?
Yeah. Yeah man, I done thriller on them man.
Alright. Yeah? So you see why me have a disdain for them. The people them, cause them same one try. Cause them kill James on the same street the morning. And them coming out because him hold on upon the bed spring, you know. Under the bed and him toe up when them look on the bed, them not see him.
Okay.
And after that, him have to run away.
Okay.
See him on them, and you understand?
Yo, I tell you, man. So what happened is that the night in question when the war start. The man they like the whole of Ascot Street from Price Street go right back to Kaya Price Street, Ascot Street, down to managing the whole of this a pay fire. All right. There was an invasion. Rema man them invade Jonestown.
Yeah.
Because what happened is that two people are move. Yeah, people are put them things on cart and a push. So everybody are move. So you don't know who is who.
Yeah.
You don't know who is who, right? Me remember the night my mother tell me if you go up my cousin then, up at Pencil Street. I don't know if you remember Robbie where they have one shop.
Yeah man, Mr. Robbie, yeah. Then him daughter them him daughter they there with my cousin and them thing there. I not know what she. What's she name again? Why am I not him? She live up in New York and them thing there now.
We attack Sonny?
No, tell me the other one. One of them there with my cousin.
And a copy.
No man, tell me next name. Me can't I remember me can't me don't remember her name. About a years.
Because you have Dan. You have Vito. You have Jingles. You have Bev.
No, not Bev.
But me I said,
as you talk me, you remember them thing there. Margaret.
Then a Vida man.
Yeah man.
That's a V. She have a youth with Sonny.
Yeah man.
Yeah. She married to Pickersgill, right?
Yeah.
Yeah man.
I years me not even talk to all Margaret and them thing.
I'm a family them, me and my cousin, first cousin.
So you just
supposed I went in a March. We have a family reunion, for our brother, Yeah, we have a family reunion in New York.
Yeah.
For our brother. So in a long while, I never see Margaret.
So you see her then?
Yeah, so me see her. Everybody me see.
So why I don't know if Derek did come there and them thing there.
Probably, who knows? They kind of like say.
Boy, what a smile early, man.
Yeah, I tell you that.
Yeah.
Margaret, my for them mother and my auntie, you know.
Boy, him love a Margaret, don't know, believe you me. Yeah, man, I tell you.
Yo, I tell you, my boy, small world, is it?
Derek and Margaret, sir.
Yeah, man. She eventually have one daughter, for youth named Sonny, out on the corner there. Black Sonny. Yeah. Yeah, man. So that simple mean if you live at Pencil Street, it's also no copy and all the man.
They no copy them yard music live in a man.
You still live in Michelle yard?
Yeah, man, I'm a buff yard. As
okay.
Yeah, man, and that's how we move from Anga Waterford, you know.
Okay.
And me, you have any link for Oliver from 86 minutes to Oliver, you know?
Hold on, me can't get through to Lamar. Me probably can't get through to Lamar because when we go up at New York the other day, me see Lamar, me take Lamar number.
Yeah.
So me probably can't get a link through Lamar. You understand me? To Oliver.
Yeah.
Probably can't get a link, man. Me have to call Lamar. You know? Yeah, man, because me and Lamar did a good little while attack. Yeah, man. Good little while because he did the birthday party.
Oh.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I tell you, man. I'm a small world kid. Trust me. Yeah. So
what you not saying about with you and Starkey and them thing there?
Let me tell you something. You see, remember one time when Starkey come, cause them say Tel Aviv Starkey come from, you know. Right?
You know, say Denham Town him come from, look. You know, say Denham Town him and thing they come from.
Him and George?
No, man, him and Willie Agat, man.
Well, I think so.
Because them are liberating and rape them, they rape a woman down. I rape them and rape and then have to run him. And
come at Jonestown?
Yes, as refugee.
Yeah. Yeah. So, when the shooting go on on Love Street, it was a Sunday night when Errol Shatter, Cuban, and a couple more dead and they whole up Ika Mouse.
Yeah.
Ika Mouse is my singer. That time him just do I want to them. Yeah. Yeah, man. And the Monday, yo, shot fire.
Oh, you talk when Tony with them does out the boy them?
Yeah.
Oh, so you did the whole heap shot them too?
Yo, shot fire. What you say, man? Yeah? Crazy shot fire. But we get after them remember them time there, you know, crime scene, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah? When we go in the yard, because people crowd and we're going to the yard. This is the house where Starkey did a beer meeting at the ceiling. Beer meeting at the ceiling. Because I remember saying brother did dead too, you know. Mikey. Yeah. Mikey did dead.
So you remember the name of the woman where them did kill and them thing there?
I wish woman that again.
And the woman up I bet shot man, I did Tony with cousin and them thing there. That make him dead, you know.
Yeah.
I think I kill Tony with cousin. I true them did want for deal with her and the woman I said, no, I don't want a criminal in my family, and I saw them they kill her.
Okay.
And the same Saturday morning, a two man from Feme gang when named the kill. Tony Wells should kill them.
Yeah, because at one stage, you know, him Willis now start par. Yeah, and him go through. I think him go through one of the pathway and jump on the back wall. Yeah, and so close him go for. Yeah, like him and him have them 16 on him back. Yeah, man. And it was said that Tony Welsh set him up in.
I don't know set him up. The man, remember say Tony with and Trinity did want him, you know, so and him go kill Tony with cousins. Yeah, so you don't know, you know. Remember say them the man they back then and them thing, you know.
Yeah.
Remember say when Tony with back then and Trinity and Tom Levine Once them 3 police there look for you and them thing there, you know, say the best thing for do is you turn in yourself. Or who know where they give up or else you know what you go. So you understand. So I saw make thing that, because all Spurline and all them man they did vex say them say you know what them do.
Yeah. Yo, I tell you man, you see you put up on thumbnail with Spurline, George, Julia, who else? Junior's King. You see that boy the man?
Yeah, you know tell about him.
Yeah, it's that boy try to kill me.
When you're police?
No, sir. Before 81.
Yeah.
81. Yeah. Me, alright. You'd know, say, you'd have the trade center down at Bastos, alright?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have the 2 part. You have the trade center where you do mechanic, woodwork, electrical, and the other one was like a school over at the theater part.
Yeah.
Yo, this girl, I know her, you know. I mean, I used to talk. The girl, me I come from Puyat Street, I come down in the, can you know, say, remember say bash down in a one dip, you know.
Yeah, man.
So me just come across the fence and come down. So when me come down now, me hear Jonas thing say, hey, come here. And me I say, I want to know, him and some more youth. I say, what go on? I say, what go on? He say, you know me? And I say, yeah, what my name? And I say, Junior, them call you. He say, oh. He said to me, say, remember when he said to me, say, what the data cheat? So I said, data cheat. I said, no, about no, which chain you talk about? The girl said, yes, him and him friend hold me and take the chain. So I said, my girl. I said, yo, me take a chain, yeah, yes. You and your friend run on that street there. That my street, you know, she say, you know. So I say, no, sir, and I'm me. So him said to me, where the data? He said to me, where the data chain? And I said to him, I don't know not about no chain, you know. Junior, I don't know not about no chain. Then I say, yo, you find the data chain. And I say, yo, we go find chain. I don't know. I say, me to get chain. Yo. You know, you them near Melostero. When they say the soul right on the top jungle,
yeah.
Film 2 brother. They did that with Jonas King with some more youth. And youth near Gabidan.
Yeah.
Yo, the first thing Gabidan doing, I talk now about, you know. Yeah, man, talk now about most was spit, man, and blood. Yeah. And then the one of them rush me, and start kick me up.
Yeah, so you know the call drop from Robbie, and you know we weren't able to complete the conversation. I tried a few times, but we didn't get him back. So, you know, some people have asked me, Chris, why do you keep mentioning what happened in the 1970s in Jonestown and Concrete Jungle, Kingston 12? My answer is simple: to save the lives of our youths from falling into the traps set by men like Rick Dick and other criminals in our community who are determined to destroy their futures. When you commit a crime against the state, you shoot or kill another person, you commit a crime against the state, because you have to understand, so you belong to the state. So you are breaking the law, which is incorrect. If you see yourself in another person, regardless of their background, you won't want to harm them, because harming them is like hurting yourself. So if you love yourself, you want to harm an next man. Why you hate yourself? That's you see a man as you see him, you have something you want to kill him. So our people need leaders willing to tell them the truth, regardless of the reaction, even if it offends them. One of the most significant failures among our people is the willingness to lie for political gain and YouTube views. I refuse to do the same, because too many of my peers are lying in Maypen Cemetery, Dovecat and Meadowrest. Because of this culture of supporting, promoting, enabling and glorifying criminality. We need a change in our culture, and we need it now. The only way we as a people and leaders can change this trajectory is with firmness, love, compassion and genuine care for the people. We must stop lying to them for political mileage and YouTube views. Many people in Jonestown have lived there from birth and will die there because of their mindset of depending on politicians for for their upward mobility. They and their offspring will remain trapped in this cycle unless they change their perspective. But I said them, yeah, them see me as a big farmer. Me a fool, but guess what? Me still alive. I'm gonna just do a wee leave. So when you go call me fool and call me farmer, that's why I'm still alive. Me the good farmers are good people. They do them civic duty. Some of them support criminality. Cause when you kill an next person and them thing, I don't believe that you say go to jail and eat the government food and eat the taxpayers' food. I believe say you forgot the departure long. I just saw it go. So to call me an farmer, I'm in a business about that. I'm proud to wear that. So in conclusion, to combat this troubling trend, we must prioritize truth, fairness and justice over personal loyalties and affiliations. And that I think we are killed as a people. You have some people them even, you have some people even on YouTube, just like even Muta Baruka, the way them wicked and love them own black people. Them even feel for even tell the people them who win the last local government election, fear of hurting or offend the people them where I watch them YouTube channel. How that? So you're not a leader, you're a fake hero. If you're a leader, you tell them who win. It no matter whether because the part where you like lose or the part where you like win. You tell the people them the truth. That's our leader though. There's no other YouTuber on YouTube that have lost subscribers as I have because I speak the truth. And I would do it again over and over again. I am not here to tell a lie because I am here for views and subscription. No. More to say a change in a culture. As I said before, even back then, I don't know Junior Speng, I know Spurline, I know Tony Welch, I know General Starkey, I know George Pang. They weren't the problem. The problem started by the politicians. They are the problem in our country. So if you want to fix Jamaica, you can't go for a little man them. Yes, you can hold them as committing crimes and stuff like that, but the real problem are with the 63 people in the parliament. So if you not go after them, the people there, and you just pick and choose who you want to go after, you do a disservice. That for sure say politics you not deal with unity, and you not deal with Team Jamaica. Team Jamaica you got the people them. But me I tell you say, as I talk to a guy, I tell him say my real dummy and them thing. Yeah, how you mean? Then that's how it go. And the reason why I tell him say my real dummy is that even when it come on to even the march at Washington DC, him support for them desecrate the Jamaica. Can I say boy them have the freedom to do that? Or if you do that? You ever see American do Jamaica a demonstrate against America? Down Jamaica. So why you gonna America go do that? And the big reason why you do that because you're working for the Russians and the Cubans in America. And people now do that. Them not defend that. But yet them will stay there and them now no problem if you attack the Prime Minister. Because them come out straight when them attack the Prime Minister, But when them attack the people them when them like, them do it subtle and them do it covertly. Because them know say them subscriber and them viewers are dummies. Them are just like the sheep nation, because them can't think. I want to say anything, it hurt them feelings and then get upset. But hey, we feelings were meant to hurt, man. So holding ourselves and others accountable for our actions can contribute to a more ethical and just society where principles are valued above personal allegiances. So let's break from the chain of deceit and criminality and strive for a future where everyone and every person can dream and aspire and achieve greatness. That's all we want in Jamaica. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.